I don't have diesel juicy, so there's my hand. We are here at the Holiday Inn in Michigan, and we have this awesome ThyssenKrupp Synergy elevator. Let's ride it. Three. Let's listen to the motor. Whoa! That was a big jolt. Here we are. Get on one. Door close does not work. Yes, it does. Here we are. Let's go for another ride. Okay? This time, let's be quiet hearing the motor this time. I'm not going to say anything. Here we go. Let's be quiet this time. Let's go back down to one. Now, I'll let you hear the machine room. I'll let you hear the elevator machine room. Okay? Watch it close. Alright, there it goes. And listen. Alright, I'm actually going to do an elevator power unit. I'm going to put my phone near the machine room door so you can hear the motor. Calling it down. Listen to the motor.
Where's your phone?
It's near the machine room. Okay, listen. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. And here's a view of the hotel hallway. Look at this. There's your front desk, and that's it.